Barrow Bookstore presents As the Oil Lamp Burns, Literary Housewives of Concord. Episode 24, Go Mad. Moonlight is sculpture and illuminated Concord as night shrouded the town. Behind the old manse on the Concord River, uncertain, troubled wanderers quietly moved through the night. Farther downstream in the town, oil lamps burned bright in Edna's. By Edna's standards of cooking, dinner was ready.
It looks dead.
And the housewives were trying to sit down to dine. Lady Macbeth wanted to sit between Kanga and Bertha, condescendingly saying, "Both sides are even. Here, I'll sit in the midst." Kanga did not want to sit next to the scary Lady Macbeth.
I would prefer not to.
Bertha was willing to sit next to Lady Macbeth and took her seat.
I'll keep our place well lit.
Jane was asked to sit opposite Bertha, and Mrs. Bennet next to Hester.
The thieving hussy? I am agreeable.
Yes, dear. We all know you're agreeable.
A is for awesome. And I can tell you what B is for, Miss Bennet.
Dinner began. Bertha was the first to hear it.
I hear it.
Some would say that Bertha was mad. The disease had sharpened her senses, not destroyed nor dulled them. Above all, her sense of hearing was acute.
I hear it.
And she heard all things in heaven and earth.
Thump, thump, thump.
Jane looked across the table at Bertha and thought, is she in a daydream now? Her eyes are fixed on the floor, but in a few moments, Jane's heart twisted.
I hear it too.
And she heard her husband's words in her ears. The doctors now discovered that my wife was mad. Likewise, Lady Macbeth heard many things in hell.
Silence! Do you hear it?
From beneath the floor, under Kanga's feet, tired from the walk to Boston, thump, 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 thump. Stealthily, healthy, and calmly, the housewives crept to the basement to investigate. Nervous, very, very, dreadfully nervous. Hester opened the door. Chomp, chomp.